How to add pronouns to your Instagram profile? Launch your Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. This is the profile feed of your Instagram profile. Select Edit Profile button next to Share Profile button. Select Pronouns. Here you can easily select the convenient language, either that's Spanish, Portuguese, English, and many more when you swipe. For me, it's English, so I have chosen English. You can easily delete the previous pronouns and add the current pronouns as well. Once you are done with adding pronouns, tap tick mark at top right corner. If you wish to show to followers only, you can check mark the option or button, or else you can also turn it off and it will be shown to everyone. Tap on the tick mark at top right corner, and that is how we successfully add pronouns to our Instagram profile. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, then like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.